Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to manage Airbnb guest reviews in Rentals United. When the reservation ends, both guest and host can submit their reviews. In my example, guest has already rated his stay or on Airbnb.com. What we can see from the message, "Thank you for your review." When I'm the host, I can navigate to the guest planner section and open the booking. I can do that also from the email notification informing me that I can submit the review. In the guest planner section, I need to scroll down to the communication section at the bottom of the page. As you can see, there is a message informing me that the guest has written a review, but I won't be able to see it until I write my own review. Now I'm going to rate my guests by selecting the proper score and typing the review in the text box. Thank you for your stay. It was nice hosting. Be careful with sending a message because once the message is sent, you will not be able to edit it. After submitting my review, the review from the guest will appear immediately below. And I can see how the guest has rated my stay. When I'm the guest, I can go to the Airbnb account, and in the notification center, I will be able to see that the host has submitted the review and they are both public. In Rentals United Guest Planner section, I can now use the box over here to respond to the guest. Thank you for providing me with a good rating. Hope to see you again in the future. As you can see, once the message is sent, there is no possibility to edit the message or send another reply. My reply will be visible in Guest Airbnb account. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thank you and goodbye.